differentiate,
difference quotient,
average rate of change. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Dividend, 4 is divisor, 3 quotient. Physical or natural quantity temperature in everyday life. Time hour of the day 6 a.m. 14 p.m. Temperature of air 7 a.m. 16 degrees centigrade, 10 a.m. 28 degrees centigrade. Change in temperature delta T 19 minus 15 4 degrees centigrade. Delta T change in time, this interval 8 minus 6 is 2 hours. A quotient, fraction or ratio, an integer part of the division, a quantity produced by the division of two numbers. Linear function, a straight line, f of x equals x, fx, f function of x equals x. Here is power 1. Calculate delta y change in y values, delta x change in x value, difference in x values, and m. A person or a woman has moved from this position till this position. So change in x or difference in x value is 3 minus 0 is 3. Delta x change in x value, difference in x value. Here it started from here, it's 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Delta y change in function's value. From this point till this point is 3 minus 1. So change in x, difference in x is change in x, difference in x value is 3 minus 1. So this is 3 minus 1 equals 2. From here, value of y is 1, 2 and 3. Change in or difference in y value, delta y change or difference in y value is 3 minus 1 equals 2. M equals change in y divided by change in x, delta the change. So this equals to 2 divided by 2. So this equals 1. For the interval 1, 2, 3, so you have a m value 1. Let's see here in the interval or on the interval 4 to 8. So you have here delta x. Delta x difference in x value is 8 minus 4 equals 4. Change in y value, delta y, difference in y value equals, this is 0.8. 8 minus here is 4. So here is 4. So value of m here equals, this value is 4 divided by this value 4. So you have again here 1. So here is also value m equals 1. So in this graph for this line on two intervals x, 1 to 3 and 4 to 8. Value of m is 1, which is equal and same. So observation is change in y is directly proportional to change in x. So as value of x changes, value of y changes. X is 1, y is 1, x is 3, y is 3, and same y and x. M is delta y over delta x, difference of y values divided by difference in x values. M is slope of the line, inclination, elevation of the line from this baseline, which is lying on the surface of earth. This is vertical to the earth. This is average rate of change, which has same or uniform or equal value for this line. That is why it is a straight line. In German, Steigung is überall gleich. F of x is directly proportional to x. That now nonlinear function, an example, function of x equal to square of x divided by 10. So if you plot in Excel, then the graph is as shown here. Delta y change in function's value, delta x change in x value, table value of x 0, these are independent values 0 till 8, and here value of function which is dependent on value of x. So these are dependent values are here calculated in Excel, or you can calculate with your calculator. Draw these two points, pair of points here, and you have this curved line. How to observe and understand and explain this? Interval, close interval starting from 0 till 2, x 0 to 2. So delta x, for this we have delta x, difference in x value is 2, and change in y value, for example, this one is divided in 5 parts, so each part is 0 0.2, 0 0.2, 0 0.4. So change in y, so here m you have 0, y change in y is 0 0.4 divided by 2. So here you have m is equal to 0 0.4 divided by 2. You can rewrite this equal to 4 divided by 10, then 1 divided by 2. So 1 times 2, and this is 2. So you have here 2 divided by 10. This is equal to 0 0.2. 0 0.2. On the interval 2 to 4, 2 to 4, delta x is 4 minus 2. So you have here 4 minus 2. This is equal to 2. And here at 4 we have value 1, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6. So this is 1.6. So you have 1.6, and at this is 1.6, and here is 0.4. So we have for this interval 1.6 minus 0 0.4 equals 1.2. This was change or difference in y. Change or difference in x equals 4 minus 2, this is 4 minus 2 equals 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So m is these delta y divided by delta x. So you have 0.6. Here you have 0.2. 2.4. Here it is 1.6. 1.2 divided by 2, 0.6. So m is not same. So here was delta y 0.4, delta x, this is this place, and the other is here. For each interval, m is not constant. Nonlinear function, f of x equal to square of x divided by 10, the same thing. So you have graph, change in y, difference in y, difference x, change in function's value, change in x value. This table you have already. Now interval 0 to 3, this is interval 0 to 3, 0 to 3, so you have 0.9. So for this 0 to 3, y value is 0.9. 0 to 3, so we have here 0.9 divided by 3 minus 0 is 3. So the value is 0.3. In the interval 4 to 5, change in y 4 to 5. This is 2.5. This is 2.5 minus 1.6. So this is 0.9 and 5, 4. So you have 5, 4, this interval. So change in x you have 1, and change in y you have 0.9. So m is here 0.9. You have seen for two intervals m is changed. So okay, here interval is 3, here is 1. If each equal interval, there are equal interval, then its result is same. But for each interval, m must be same for a straight line. Slope m of the straight line through 2 points which lie on the graph of the function f. This is summary what you have observed earlier. This line is horizontal on the surface of earth. This is a one point, this is another point, starting point, ending point. For this point, function value is here. For the other point, function value is here. The function f be defined on the interval. It means there is a value, definite value for this on this interval function. A curve function, which is function of x, is shown in this blue line. On this line, we have a point P. On x value is a, and on y axis it is value of function at this point. And there is another point Q which has coordinate x and y FB. Change in X, difference in X is B minus A. Change in Y is FB minus FA. The function FB defined on the interval, that is, it means difference in value of Y, f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. This is called difference quotient or average rate of change of function f on the interval AB. M is slope of the secant. This is red line through point graph points P and B, which shows inclination or the elevation of the slope of the line. M is delta y or delta x, average rate of change, which inclination of the elevated surface. Difference quotient, in German Steigung analysis. First, information or an observation is given in the form of a table or the pairs. For example, the air temperature as measured at the weather station between 6 a.m. and 15 p.m. Observation is standardly observed at the 2-meter height from the surface of Earth. Temperature is a physical or natural quantity in your everyday life. Time hour of the day 6 a.m. till 14 p.m., 15 p.m. Temperature of air in centigrade 15, 34 centigrade. Draw pair of this graph, a line, curved line. 10 a.m. temperature is 28 degrees centigrade. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 present each temperature in centigrade. On this side, time in hour. The variation in temperatures is not uniform. Explain in words why. Earlier you have seen a straight line. Here is x value 0, 1, 2 till 9 horizontal line, and for 1 is 1, 2 is 2, and 6 is 6. So you have straight line, linear function y, it fulfills conditions. Delta y, difference in y or change in y, is directly proportional to x, change in x. M, average rate of change, change in y, difference in y divided by difference in x. This is must be constant or uniform or a state for a straight line. Here it is not the same for the interval. It must be same or constant or uniform for each interval. Here if you have different intervals, we will calculate later. So the same thing, now you have the same graph. What should we do now? Draw lines through points. Which point? X, 6, temperature is 15, and 8 and 19. So this is a straight line. M, slope, is average rate of change, that is difference in y, difference in x. So here 19 minus 15 is 4, 8 minus 6 is 2. So here is 4 divided by 2 equals 2. The other line, 10, x is 10, so is 10 a.m. till 13. So 13 minus 10 is 3. And value here is 34 minus 28 is 6. For the second, here is 6. Change in y is 6. Change in x is 13 minus 10 is 3. Change in y, change in x x or delta x. So we have here 2. So this is 2 and 2, but this is the slope of two straight lines. Here is table. From table you can also calculate the same things. Compare the variation in temperature. What is average temperature per hour? T average is delta T, change in temperature. So from here, table, delta T is 19 minus 15 is 4. Change in time, 8 minus 6 is 2. So you can compare from either from table or from graph. Read and you can verify. So this will give you 4 divided by 2. This is equal to 2 degrees centigrade. In centigrade per hour is a unit. What is average temperature per hour between 10 to 13? So 10 to 13, this interval. So change in temperatures is 34 minus 28 is 6. So you have here delta T equal to 6. Change in temp here is 13 minus 10 is 3. So this is equal to delta T over delta T. Two in unit is centigrade per hour. Analysis 2. In the first analysis, there are data observation points which could be written in tabular form or in pair form, and you can plot a graph and then observe and explain others how things vary in the surrounding with respect to time or other things parameters. Here we have a mathematical function which is a short form to define a physical quantity. For example, temperature of a cup of tea, which is defined t function which is of time is equal to 75 multiplied by 3 power minus t divided by 20 plus 20. T time is greater equal to 0 in minute and temperature in centigrade. Calculate average rate of change of function t time for the intervals or on the interval, these two intervals. Explain in words. A cup of tea is hot. With the passage of time, temperature falls quickly. The room temperature is 20 degrees centigrade. The boiling point, T boiling point of the water is approximately 100, below or less or equal 100. So at T0 at the starting time, this quantity is 0. So you have 20 plus 75. So we have T cup of tea at starting 95 degree centigrade. T at 0 degree centigrade. Temperature at T0 starting time. Calculate average rate of change of function T for the intervals 5, 40. So you have now T at 40 minus T 5 divided by, this is mathematical form to calculate. This is 40 minus 5. So this will give you values 28.33, 28.33 minus 76.99, 76.99 minus, this is 40 minus 5 is 35, it is minus 1.4, unit is centigrade per hour. So the second interval is t 50 minute, at 50 minute minus t value of temperature at 15 after 15 minutes. So this is 50 minus 15. So we have here again 35, and inserting value of time here, you have t50 value 24.81, 24.81 minus 52.9, 52.9. So you have here minus 0.8 centigrade per hour. So this is unit. So this is common observation. A hot water, a hot cup of tea remains in room or in this atmosphere around you, it get colder with the passage of time. Plot the graph of function TT. How? Open a new file here, write here time 0 at the step of 10 minutes till 90 minutes, temperature, starting temperature when t is 0 is, if you have t0 here, so the function t0 here, then this is 175 plus 20 is starting value is 95. To write this function here, equal sign, and then 20 is this value plus 75 multiplied by, insert this bracket for whole factor, then it is multiplied by 75. And you have here 3 times, and then this is minus 0.05, this is 1 over 20 factor. How to define t? This t is a column A, so take value A3, so A3, so you have this. So I have the same function, but I have not used multiplication divided by, then this minus power is resolved, and 5 divided by 100 I have written to express it in different form. So this is your curve, state G1, state G2 on interval this one and respective interval 2 to. How? So starting is 5 and 40 time in minutes. The other G straight line is 15 to 50. In time between 5 and 40 minutes, 5 and 40 minutes, temperature decreases, the temperature at middle means average. The temperature decreases at average rate per minute 1.4 as calculated in the earlier slide. on the interval or in the time between 15 and 50 minutes decreases the temperature at the average rate per minute zero point 0.8. So you can see from here also for this curve, this 50-minute value you can might take from here and on the other values, and you will reach the same values as calculated mathematically. So there was two type of physical situation in your everyday life: temperature as given in the table form and as given as a boiling water in a mathematical formula. How to analyze an exercise on 21st October 2020, the weather station at airport measured the weather condition 13-hour air pressure 1012 pascal and humidity was 40 degree, other 40% recorded. The weather forecast for next day till 11 a.m. as projected here. So temperature 13 p.m. 31 and then 18 p.m. 27 and then 24 is 20 degrees centigrade. Air speed 5 kilometer per hour till 8 kilometer per hour. Arrow is a direction and airspeed combined give you velocity. Velocity is a magnitude and direction. Read values of the temperature here with respect to time and then plot a graph in Excel. Insert these table, plot the temperature versus time. So this is time t, hour of the day 13, 14, 15, 23, 24 is also temperature in degree centigrade. You have here kilometer per air speed. What is type of the function, linear or non-linear? So for this interval, you have temperature delta T equals 31 minus 31. 31 minus 31 equals 0, and delta T change in time, which is 16 minus 13. 16 minus 13. So this is 3. So 0 divided by 3 is 0. On this interval, delta T change in temperature is 27 minus 23, or the last temperature 23. So it is cooler. So you can write -4 if you last from this point till here point, and should you have delta T change or difference in time is, so you have 21 minus 18. So this is 3 and this is -4. So this is -1.3. So the variation here is 0. Average rate of change is 0. Here average rate of change or the temperature decreases at the average rate of 1.3. So slope other is not constant, not uniform. So now how to plot airspeed? You have the same 13, 14 hour of the sight and airspeed. Select these two columns, insert graph. Use this when data numbers are less. You have here double click and then you can start from 0, but you have 13, so write here 13